Is your car heater blowing cold air even in winter, or not working at all? Don't worry, today I'll show you exactly why your car heater isn't working and how you can fix it step by step. This guide is beginner friendly, and you won't need expensive tools for most of these checks. Let's get started. Before fixing the problem, let's quickly understand how your car heater works. The heater uses hot engine coolant. This hot coolant flows through the heater core, and a fan blows air across it, sending warm air into the cabin. So if any part of this system fails, your heater stops working. Here are common symptoms you might notice. Heater blows cold air, weak airflow from vents, heater works only while driving, foggy windows not clearing. Cause number 1, low coolant level. The number one reason your car heater doesn't work is low coolant. Without enough coolant, heat can't reach the heater core. 1. Turn off engine and let it cool completely. 2. Open hood. 3. Check coolant reservoir level. 4. Top up with correct coolant if low. If your engine takes too long to warm up, the thermostat may be stuck open. This prevents the engine from reaching proper temperature, so no heat for you. How to check? Watch temperature gauge. If needle stays low after 10 to 15 minutes, thermostat may be faulty. Cause number 3, clogged heater core. If your heater smells sweet or airflow is warm on one side and cold on the other, your heater core might be clogged. Quick test: touch heater hoses, both should be hot. Cause number 4, blend door actuator failure. The blend door controls hot and cold air mixing. If it fails, your heater may blow cold air no matter what. Signs: clicking noise behind dashboard. Temperature won't change. Cause number 5, blower motor or fuse issue. If no air comes out at all, the blower motor or fuse could be the issue. Steps: 1. Check cabin fuse box. 2. Replace blown fuse. 3. Test blower fan. Some fixes you can do at home, but others need a mechanic. Top up coolant. Replace fuse. Flush heater core. Basic. Mechanic needed. Heater core replacement. Blend door repair. Thermostat replacement. To avoid heater problems in the future, check coolant regularly. Flush cooling system every 2 to 3 years. Warm up engine properly. So that's how you diagnose and fix a car heater that's not working. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more car tips, and comment below with your car model and problem. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and stay warm.